Hi! Welcome to our coding class on modules in Python. Are you ready to learn about how modules work? Let's get started. A module is a file that contains Python code, which we can use in our programs. Modules help us to reuse code, make our programs more modular, and reduce code duplication. To use a module in our Python program, we first need to import it using the import keyword. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've imported the math module, which contains many mathematical functions. We can now use these functions in our program. Python comes with many built-in modules that we can use in our programs. Let's take a look at two of these modules, math and random. The math module contains many mathematical functions, such as sqrt for square roots, pi for the value of pi, and sin for trigonometric functions. The random module contains functions for generating random numbers, such as randint for generating random integers, and uniform for generating random floating point numbers. We can also create our own modules in Python, which can contain functions, classes, and variables. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we've created a module called my_module, which contains a function called greet. We can now import this module into our program and use the greet function. Here, we've imported the my_module and used the greet function to print a personalized greeting to the user. And that's it. You've learned about modules in Python, how to import built-in modules like math and random, and how to create your own modules. Keep practicing and exploring new things. Programming is awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.